Welcome to our channel. Well, today we're going to tackle an issue that's been puzzling many Mac users who work with PHP. But if you've encountered error code EACCES while starting the PHP process in brackets on Mac OS Sonoma 14.6.1, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, we'll explore what causes this error and provide a step-by-step guide to resolve it. Error code EACCES might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite common, especially when working with PHP processes in brackets. The good news is that the fix is relatively straightforward once you understand the root cause of the problem. So let's dive into the details and get your PHP process up and running smoothly. The error code EACCES typically occurs due to a permission issue related to accessing certain files or directories required by the PHP process. This can happen for several reasons. 1. File system permissions. The most common reason is incorrect file system permissions, which prevent brackets from accessing necessary files. Mac's operating system has strict security policies that might limit the access of certain applications to sensitive areas. 2. Configuration issues. Sometimes misconfigured settings within brackets or PHP itself can lead to permission errors. This could be due to an incorrectly set path, a misplaced configuration file, or even a typo in one of your scripts. To resolve this issue, follow these steps. Step 1. Check file permissions. Ensure that the user running brackets has sufficient permissions to access and modify files within the project directory. You can do this by right-clicking on the project folder, selecting Get Info, and adjusting the permissions as needed. Step 2. Verify PHP configuration. Make sure your PHP settings are correctly configured. Check your PHP file for any settings that might be limiting access to necessary resources. Also, verify that your PHP executable path is correctly set within brackets preferences. Step 3. Clean and rebuild your project. Sometimes, simply cleaning and rebuilding your project can resolve permission issues. Try removing any temporary files generated by brackets or PHP, and then rebuild your project from scratch. To summarize, error code EACCES in the context of Mac OS Sonoma 14.6.1 and brackets 2.2 is often related to file system permissions and configuration issues. By checking and adjusting file permissions, verifying your PHP settings, and cleaning and rebuilding your project, you should be able to resolve this issue and get back to developing with PHP in no time. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you understand and fix the EACCES error in brackets on Mac OS Sonoma. If you have any questions or comments regarding this topic, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful and consider subscribing for more tutorials and tech-related content. Happy coding!